Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to It's So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin holding. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and the bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with me whenever the stream is done, join me on the Discord links. We'll be going out here shortly. Pin at the top of the chat, right? So let's go see the market cap. What is happening, guys? Thank you all for joining me on an awesome Sunday night. Alrighty, so crypto sideways. Great. Yesterday we did manage to push up a bit. Not a lot, 1% right now. It looks like we want to undo that 1%. But again, remember, haven't gone up to that 20 with the bullish divergence, so not looking super strong. And what we said, right? That 20 is probably going to meet us, and we're going to hit it, and we might reject on the account that we are weak. Now, good things that could be coming through is that we're about to get across the MACD over the signal line. I do believe we are below that 200 moving average line, so I'm just going to bring it up real quick. And yes, we're still below the 200 moving average line, right? I can see it right here. That's a dotted line up here. So that is not triggering a MACD entry strategy. So that move, yes, it could get us to make positive momentum, but it might be short-lived, right? We might not really pull up with a lot of strength. It's yet to be determined, but we'll see how things go, right? That's what I'm thinking so far for this, right? Might hit the 20, we might actually get another drop and expand those Bollinger Bands to the downside, maybe even make more negative momentum. Right, it's a possibility as well. Calcrop Doc, Jake, what is up, guys? Thank you for joining me tonight. Elon in the details. What is up, Elon? There we go. All right, Bitcoin. Look at this beautifully. Holding that 9,266 support, right? And on this other chart, we're still below. We're still below the $19,899 mark. So we either get above that one, and we still hold support here where we're at, right? 19,600s, or man, breaking below 19,600s could lead us to more of a sell-off, right? So it might not be looking so hot, right? Again, right, 19,909, then we have 9,400 here. But again, it's more or less the same that we have here at 9,600, right? King, Jake says Kings. He's wearing a crown and beer clinking. All right, King Beer. All right, King Beer. Anyways, holding support, right? Might pop to the 20, right? Maybe 20,111. But, you know, it's still unsure, right? We don't know if 100% we're going to get there. I am more worried about Bitcoin breaking down, right? Now, this is an idea we were taking away from Todd when he came in on Friday. Friday. And right now, sold at 36.52. There's really not a lot that has happened in the last couple of days, right? So again, the market's stagnating. Not a lot we can do. Gotta wait for a break. Bearish divergence. Move this down. Look at that. Hitting this zone. Remember we said that yesterday or Friday that we could hit and retest 9,666. Got it, right? Went to a 20, try to break it. Guess what? Rejecting right now. Not good. Not good. Low. Lower low. More negative momentum, right? Slightly lower on the other side. So there's really nothing bullish. On the 4 hour, just tightness of the Bollinger Bands, right? Getting that volatility leaving the market, but that's about it. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Today we're going to be skipping Ethereum. We're going to do Ethereum. I'm just going to skip it after Bitcoin because we're going to look at the dollar index. Because I think the dollar index is strengthening. And that's what could be in play for crypto to maybe suffer. Right? So, again, right now, look at this, right? Bullish divergence, strong against the MACD, right? Not quite so against the RSI, right? Slightly lower, but against the MACD, strong bullish, getting us to move up. Right now, coming back down, back testing that 20, right? We're recreating bearish divergence. Got zoom in here, man. No, look, every time we're going higher, right? Positive, more positive, more positive, and more. As we're going higher and higher. So there's really, on this shorter move, nothing. Right? Which kind of sucks. Alright, so hopefully we found support at that 20 and we pop. That's the only thing we could have going on for us. There's really nothing else bullish happening. There's really nothing bearish happening, right? So we're getting that stagnation. Wolfpuck, or what was it? Wolfgang Puck, or whatever that chef is. I'm not sure. I think it's Wolfgang Puck. We're gonna call him Wolfgang. Elon says, it is hot where I live in damn Cali. Alright, yeah, I heard it's hot in Cali. Right, so the crypto. It is really Bitcoin is not really doing a lot. It doesn't have the cleanest indicators. Doesn't have a clear bullish trend to hold on to. I am far more worried about the breakdown, right, than I am about a moving up. So our move that we called for a while back, it's still in play, right? Where we can still take another drop. On the weekly, we managed to gain 2%. Oh my goodness, that is quite a bit. And right now we're undoing some of that at 0.78%. Right? So I think it's going to be an interesting week. We might still get stagnation, to be honest. I think that's what I could foresee probably for the week so far. We stagnate a bit sideways and then might take a drop. Right? The market just doesn't feel strong. That's it. I say we're going to skip Ethereum. Let's go look at the DXY. Then we're going to come back to ETH. DXY 109. All right, still going higher. It's gaining strength. Oh man, the markets. The markets, man. All right. I mean, the DXY is still creating bearish divergence, right? It's just not playing down with strength. And I think it's part of, this whole feeling that we have that we might be heading into a recession, right? Or that we are in a recession of sorts. So bearish divergence, potential for a movement down, right? You're going for that 20. That's about it. There's really not a lot else going on here. On the weekly, we're still climbing, right? Look at this. We had the bearishness move down. We didn't quite hit the 20. Guess what? Look at this here. Boom. All right. Bam. There we go. Bearish, bearish. Bearish divergence tonight, today, tomorrow. All right. Are we going to move down? That's a move that we would be expecting to see with the divergence, right? That tells us that the trend is weakening and that we should expect to see maybe a downwards motion, but we are not getting it yet. All right. So I think this if the dollar, oh no, undo that. If the dollar just keeps on strengthening, I think we're going to see Bitcoin really start to take a beating, and cryptos in general could go down a lot more. Ethereum, 1,572. All right. Waiting for it to load. Loading. Here we are, man. Here we are. What's happening here? All right. Hit the 20. About to hit that 20 again. Nothing with strength here. Nothing bullish. Neutral at 46.69, man. I mean, the market's just not been doing anything. Jake says, I've been buying some Canadian cannabis stocks. All right. All right, so we learned today that Jake's a sweaty person. Maybe he has hyperhidrosis. Yeah, Canna stocks got annihilated. Really bad. Besides this bearish divergence, again, nothing. Trying to go up for that 20 moving average, getting above it. Nothing bullish or bearish, man. Jake is from the land down under, I think. He lives in the land down under. I'm kidding. He's not from the land down under. I know where he's from. I'm just not going to say on the stream. That's why he's sweating through shirts. See, he's an East Coat. That's how he said in the land down under. East Coat. I'm from the East Coat, man. East Coat, mate. Don't worry, mate. Anyways, bearish divergence moving down. Oh no, that's it. There's strong bearish divergence. Oh my goodness. That's about it. There's really not a lot else going on. The market is just stagnating. It's such a crappy day today. I mean, there's really nothing going on. You still have the NFT, Martin. Yeah, they're doing good. Here they are. Look at that. 0.65. Oh, 0.61 now. But have this one. Well, not this one, but one like this with this attributes, right? Robot eyes and stud. So with that one, the base price for that combined attribute, it's 1 Ethereum. Right? Even though it's here it says it's 0.61. The base for this combined attributes is that. Well, this has other, like the phenotype and the hat, but now that one matches this one, right? Robot eyes and stud, so that's pretty good. And then this one here, it's a patch and a bowler hat, and that matches the other one I have, which is this one here. And then the bottom price there is at what is it? 1.98. 1.98 Ethereum, right? So in total, we could say round it off to 2 Ethereums, I guess. So 3 Ethereums in all of them. Not bad. Jake says, look at my art. All right. Look at your art, Jake. All right. You put that one in your car? Is this legit? Look at Jake. Either he did that on his car or he did it on someone else's car. I'm not sure. Yeah. You can send stuff there, or so crypto.eth that Jake got for the channel. It's pretty freaking awesome. Oh no, that's 3D stuff. Here we go. So crypto.eth. I think you can send stuff to your address. Look at the quoted retweet from it. All right, I'll check it. Let's go here. Jake says, add it, rake letters. All right. With the APEPES real life contest, I drew a logo on vinyl paper, cut it out, and to my car for everyone to see. All right, that's pretty cool. Someone said the zombie arts is ready. I'm not sure how that's going to come through, Jake, but I'm intrigued. Cool. Philip, what is up, dude? Interesting. Yep, that's it. Let's roll. Anyways, market not doing much. Market not doing much, man. It's just chilling. Look, I mean, like we said, the market looks like it's gonna drop. HNT to dollar prices have had a capitulation event with significant dump compared to other crypto recent weeks. Has it? Haven't really seen it. I hold some of that. I haven't seen HNT. Wow, damn, it did drop to $4. That is not pretty good. Yeah. Wow, it took a nasty drop here a couple days ago. Look at that. Oh no. All the way from here, from like 6 to 4. Oh no, it dropped a lot. I hope this dissuades some people from still having their, things up and running. Haven't even really looked at my HNT miner and see how it's doing. It might not even be up and running for all I know. I don't check it daily. It is active. All right. It's really not making a lot though. 0.034, so 14 cents a day. Not good, I guess. Kind of sucks though. Right. Anyways, HNT has bullish divergence, right? Potential function to the upside. Completely oversold at 23.27. With that potential for a rally, if we do rally, 20 moving average at $5.95 is going to be a target right now at $4.24 again. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on a super crowded area, so you can tell, right? 11, 10, 12s, 9s, 11s, right? So a lot of them around here, and that's just not good for them, right? So their rewards go down. That's why I'm getting not even 100% transmit scale. That's not good. Right. So again, here on the 4 hour, right? Some bullishness. It has bullish on the daily, has bullish on the 4 hour, but you know what? It's not gonna matter if Bitcoin tanks. That is the reality of things. I mean, at least this project has things going on. They have even, I think, a contract signed with the city of San Jose, so they could promote and provide, I think, some coverage through HNTs, right? Through the miners. So sold. That 31.12, that's it. Really not a lot. Again, bullish divergence against the MACD, against the RSI, looking for that potential movement up coming in. Here, not quite so right. Coming in lower. Here, man, maybe. I'm going to zoom in a lot here and see if we have anything. What's up, War? How's it going, man? Here we go, bullish. Look, potential fraction upside starting to go up a bit. Not quite good because we created some hidden bearish. That's putting pressure on that price, right? Try to go down to 20. All right, it's already hit it. Trying to go below the 20. So the bullish divergence was not good enough to get us to go higher here in HNT. Now we have some bearishness, but the only good thing is that we have bullish on the daily and the 4 hour, and that could try to still spark a rally. So hopefully, if Bitcoin still stagnates, I think we might see some of these cryptos still try to rally and pump a bit more, right? All right. STX, right. Let's go check out the sticks. The sticks. 36.7. All right. What is this doing? Seems to have gone up a bit. Not bad. How much? 0. Why is it reading? Oh, he's not doing it. 1.66. All right. Some old fibs, I guess. We haven't looked at this in a while. Fibs from way back here. I think that's the channel we're back in. And they're still kind of holding, right? To some extent. Let's get rid of those old fibs, man. Any good when you come in, old stuff on the chart still works. Look at them stacks, man. All right, let's go. I'm just gonna say this is a high and this is probably a low here for this move. Not really seeing any good retraces, right? Broke, try to get back above, failed. Moving lower, it doesn't look super hot. It's just moving sideways. Tightness of the 1-year band starting to come in below the 20 moving average, and just like Bitcoin, right? It looks as though we might just, catch up to 20, but not because we're rallying with strength, just because, we kind of are going to bump into it because we're weak and we just happen to move sideways until we actually just hit it. And then we're going to see what's going to happen. And I think for Bitcoin, it might mean that we get a drop, right? So just watch out. Bullish divergence, strong potential fraction to the upside, not getting that strong move, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. Man, a lot of stagnation. Starting to go up a bit. This could bring an expansion to the upside, which would be nice. Not really seeing a lot, right? Look, coming in lower, we had some bullishness here, popped on that. Other than that, really from here forward, right? High to low, positive, low to high, maybe? All right, some hidden bearish. All right, there's something. I wasn't catching this one immediately. Kind of glad I've seen it now. Hidden divergence, bearish. Right, that's going to bring stagnation, maybe even action to downside, and I think that's what we're seeing happen right now. Right, so we could try to drop to that 20 moving average. Really, here, not seeing anything bullish, right? Look, low to high, lower. Just really not a lot here. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. I don't know if we short on XTX. What time scale? What time frame are you looking at? Low to high, less negative, higher, right? Coming up higher, higher, and higher. Still short term here, bearishness of sorts, right? Bearishness, look at this. Bearish divergence strong on the MACD, potential for a movement down. I'm not sure what time scale you're looking at, man, but yeah, even here, right? Look, we're coming up higher and then definitely coming in lower here. 4 hour, all right. And here also lower, right? It's a bearish divergence in the 15-minute. Already hit the 20. This is strong bearish. We should be hoping to get a strong movement down, right? Again, it's just Bitcoin feels like it wants to drop, right? It's just Bitcoin feels like it wants to drop for some weird reason. Not seeing a lot of strength behind Bitcoin, and it's really not good. You want to see strength behind a move, and I think it has to do with just the market in general and the overall feeling of crypto. So let's go see the fear and greed index. Oh no. Why is this opening? All right, go there. Oh, look at that. Fear and greed. We are still on extreme fear. Oh no, we are fearful. And people that get ED and we're still fearful. I'm really seeing anything there, man, right? Again, guys, it's just a Sunday. Really not a lot happening. Not real clear direction as to where the week is going to take us here for crypto. Right? Not seeing it as clear as I hope we could. Stagnation, right? Look below that 9,199. And we actually kind of closed. We closed very close. We closed very close to that area at 20,008. Right? We have our target. Like it's $9 off the target. Right? We closed in that rejection. So we know there's a resistance there. And our support's gonna be here around 19,666. Here it's 19,496 for this chart. But the one we've been looking at, which is this one, that's what we're gonna try to support, and that's where we've been hitting support a couple times already. So breaking below that zone, it's not gonna be good. Right? We know that. We know it's not gonna be good. We've talked about it. And once we get there, it's gonna be crypto winter, and that's when we buy. If we go to 12, 10K, I think we're gonna see a lot of people start to throw money at Bitcoin and crypto in general again, because they know that's probably where the bottom is. That is if we get that break. If we don't, then we just keep stagnating this level, and then we determine that this is our low, right? And then there's no lower than where we're at, right? So let's just go here on the weekly. Log scale, hide the boundary bands to make sure everything's visible. Right, if we determine that after the highs, we do tend to come down around that 86% that we've talked about, right? Then we plateau for a couple months before we rally again. We also plateaued for a couple months, rallied, and then we plateaued for a bit before we continue, right? But looking at this, if we are to plateau around here, that'll be fine. We can carry on for maybe until 2023, and just move sideways. Right, but if we do drop and just hit the zone and then plateau here, that is close to here and that is close to here, right? So that will be a good buying point. We could definitely say, wow, if you buy this level, man, the next run you're gonna be set. Right, should be fairly okay on the next run. Right, so with that said, all right, let's keep rolling. Bitcoin on the daily. Like I said, not a lot of strength, right? Not a lot of strength in the market. Look at it. It's weak. We're just trying to hold, man. Keep on hitting the zones of supply. Right? And two things happen, right? We either get exhausted of just hitting that zone and that supply lasts, and then we try to rally from there, or that supply gets exhausted and we just move down to the next level. That's how this works, right? Just like when there's a resistance, right? There's a supply zone here, or a lot of selling happening here at this level, let's say, right? So when you rally and hit, a couple things. You either get tired of buying here and you can't, so you move down to the next area, right? Or you eat up whatever supply is here being sold, and then you push through, right? So that's how that works. So yeah, it could go either way, right? It usually just depends on how strong the move is, how much momentum is carrying behind, how many people are buying, and that's how you push through those walls, right? But for now, again, there's really not a lot happening, guys. It's just stagnation city. Market stagnation. Yeah. So, yeah, tomorrow I think streams are going to be as usual. I'm still trying to figure out. I got to figure out, like I said, on Friday, how I'm going to be handling things here on the channel. Definitely there's things that need to change. I didn't have time to change them before. I have time now. But I really got to do some planning and come up with metrics, right? And see how things work and how things are going to play out, right? And if those things come through and then, they start to have positive outcomes, then I think the channel is going to go through a growth phase potentially. But if we don't, and if I can't get this channel to, start to expand, then, I just got to figure out what I want to do, right? How's the restaurant? Yeah, I went there today. It's actually today my buddy sets up at a market. So it's pretty good. Gonna go with some of those sliders. Yeah, burgers, man. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Tomorrow I go to see the dark kitchens. So virtual kitchens and things like that. I got a meeting to see 2 of them, and then I'm gonna take some days off from doing anything. I'm still gonna do crypto, right? I really wish I could also take time from crypto, but I already took time off when I had visitors. But I really just want to take advantage that I'm not doing anything for the day job right now, and just take the vacations that I didn't take. When things ended at the office, I had 34 vacation days that I hadn't enjoyed. So that's a lot of vacations to enjoy. I don't plan on taking 34 days. I just want to take about a week where I don't do anything, where I just do whatever I want and genuinely just, read books. I'm so behind in reading books. Play video games. I haven't been able to sit down and play video games in a long time, except for when we played poker, and that's about it. I mean, that's the only thing I played in a long time. I haven't really had time to just sit down. I was looking at the last time I played some of the games I have on my laptop, on my desktop, sorry. And last time I played Dragon Ball Z Kakarot, it was in 2020. So almost 2 years without playing video games. Or more than 2 years without playing video games. And, just not doing things that I want. And it's fine. I like doing crypto. I like doing this show. I like doing the stream. But at the same time, right now, throughout the day at least, I just want to chill. I just want to do whatever I want to do, right? Get some of that, refreshing feeling of not doing anything, I guess. And really try to make my mind not think about anything. No businesses, no anything, so that I can really sit down and really start planning this business with a clear mind. And I do want to get this restaurant going. Like I said, I went to see some things today with my friend, and tomorrow I get to see some other things, and then after that I'm going to take some time off from that and just everything throughout the day in general. I mean, crypto I'm still going to do, but other stuff throughout the day in general, except if it's 3D printing, I might do some of that. It's not really a lot, and I kind of enjoy that as well. I either get to paint stuff or print stuff and then, paint it afterwards. So it's just interesting, I guess, in general. So I definitely want to do some of that, and, yeah. So I'm going to see how things go. But I'll still be here. I'll be coming in tomorrow, right? I'm just gonna be calling in this room for tonight. There's really not a lot happening on crypto market. I hope there's something happening tomorrow. Otherwise, it's gonna be boring, dude. It's gonna be a boring week. That's how crypto is when there's nothing going on, right? But again, we have to be here for the boring times so we can be prepared for when the exciting times happen. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. I want to be calling it a stream. Thank you for joining me. Again, if you like the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Remember, don't take financial advice from a wolf. This is not financial advice. The wolf is not a financial advisor. It's an imaginary cartoon character that is here talking to you about charts. So, remember, talk about crypto to your friends, your family, your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is So Crypto. I'm your host, The Wolf, and I'll be catching you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.